Hello everyone, welcome to the session on geniuschalk. Today we are going to discuss Deloitte reasoning mock test number 4 based on actual paper. So let's start the session. On the basis of the alphabets given below, answer the question. There are alphabets from A to Z and they are in the same sequence as they are in the actual alphabetical order. So we have to find the next letter replacing this. So you see A, C. Check the first one, A, C. So gap of 1, then it must be E. Right? C, D is skipped, E. Similarly, D, E, F, E is skipped, then F, G, H. Similarly, B, C, and then it must be D, so that after that it is E. So option C is my right answer. On the same series, 3 of the 4 are alike in a certain way. We have to form the odd one out. So B, D, F, you see B, C, D, E, F, one letter skipped. D, E, F, G, H, one letter skipped. V, W, X, Y, Z, one letter skipped. C, D, E, F, G. So everywhere one letter is skipped, but position wise, you see B is 2, D is 4, F is 6, D is 4, F is 6, H is 8, V is 22, X is 24, Z is 26. And here, if you talk about it is 1, it is 3, C is 3, E is 5, and G is 7. This is the only one which is having odd numbers. Rest all others have even numbers. So this has to be the odd one out because on the basis of sequence, all letters are same. They are leaving one letter, skipping one letter in between. Next one. In the above alphabets, the letter exactly between the letter 7th from the left. So let's count 7th from the left must be G. And 16th from the right, 16th from right, just subtract 27 minus 16. So this becomes 11. So 11 from the, you can go like this, 4, then 4, 8, then 12, and then 16. But if you see, directly if you see, 16th letter has to be K, right? So 16 letters from the right is K, or or you can do subtract from 27 because 26 letters are there, but we always take one more. So 27 minus 16, that is 11. So 11th from this end, 11 from the other end, that is K. So what is the middle now? You can check. The middle of these two is I, right? GHI, IJK. So answer is I. So subtract it from 27, your work will be easy because if you subtract from 27, it will be from the forward end, not from the backward end, right? Next one, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word designer, each of which has as many letters between them as in the words in the English alphabet? So you see designer, now I'll write the numbers. D means 4, E means 5, S means 16, S means 19, sorry. I is 9, G is 7, N means 14, E means 5, R means 18. Now just check any sequence which is same. You see 4 to 5. Then you have 7, then 19. Okay. Anything else we have? You check 4. You see from 5 to 7. 5, 6, 7. But 7 is not here. No, this is not a pattern. So you see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No pattern. Then this one you can check 5, 6, 7. So one letter is skipped, right? So these two pairs are possible. So my answer has to be 2. Except this is not the pair which is possible because 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be 8, not 7. So this is C. Next one, in the following question, select the odd from the given alternatives. So you see Pageant, Carnival, these are all positive. The scrutiny is the one which means some investigation, right? It's a negative word. So this is my odd one out. Rest are all positive words, right? You can check out their meaning. So just by the sense, you can take your answer. Select the related letters. So this is analogy. This dot means analogy. So now check. R, T, V, X, and it is written as Z, B, D, and F. If you see, you see R, then Z. So if you see directly, a huge difference, right? And if you see DF, so it is like R, Z. If you check like this, X and Z, this is YZ plus 2. Then this is V. So you see this now, it's not catching it, right? This is not catching it. Okay, let's try something else. R, T, V, X, then Z, B, D, F. Now you see R is 18, Z is 26, T is 20, B is actually 28, we can say, because T is 20, Z is 26, then two more. V is 22, O is PUV 15, X is 24, and F is 6. Now check the difference. 18 and 26 are having a difference of 8 plus 8. 20 and 28 having a difference of plus 8. 22, 22, then we have plus 4, will be going to Z plus 4, and it's D, not O. It's D, guys. So this is D is 4, right? So 22 plus 4, 26, and then plus 4. So that means again 26 plus 4, 30. So this is also plus 8. 24, then you go plus 2, it is 26. Then after that you go plus 6, this is also plus 8. So everywhere we are having the pattern of plus 8. Now applying the same, B plus 8, B is 2. 2 plus 8 is H. Sorry, 2 plus 8, it's 10. 10 means J. So answer must start with J. There is only one option. Rest you can check. D is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 means L. F is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is N. H is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. That is P. So this is definitely my answer. So the pattern of plus 8 is there. This one, again, analogy. The logic is a very different question. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Like this. 8 minus 4 must be 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So answer is 412. A unique type, please remember it. A series is there. We have to find the missing number. So it is 2351. What is the difference? Just write the difference here. Or you just check like this. 23 double. 23 into 2. 46 plus 5. That will give you 51. Now 51 into 2. Because these are almost double. And it is 105. Yeah. 102. 102 plus 6. So this is 108. So this is into 2 plus 5. And this is into 2 plus 6. So this is the series we are having. You see, this is also almost double. So 108 into 2 plus 7. That becomes 223. Then 223 multiply by 2. And it should be plus 8, because you can see the pattern is plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. So this is 246 plus 8. Sorry, 446. 446 plus 8. It's 454. That is option B. You can check further. 454 into 2 plus 9 should be the answer. So 54 to the 108, 908 plus 9, that becomes 917. So here it must be 454. Ninth one, wrong term in this. So if you check the multiplying factor here, you see 3840, it is 10. If you divide this by 384, it will be 10. Then if you see 8 is 64, it is division by 8. So here, if you check, it is 12. So 12, 10, 8, it must be 6 now. But 48 by 6 is not going to give you 24. So this is the wrong term here. It is not 24. It should be 8. If it is 8, the next is, 12, 10, 8, 6. Next must be 4. So 8 by 4 is 2. And 2 by 2 is 1. That is absolutely correct. So the wrong is 24. Right. In the following question, choose the correct alternative. The from the given ones, that will complete the series. All right. So again check A, B, C, D. Now what is left? E, F, G. E, F, G. Three letters left. Then H, I, J, K. Then three letters L, M, N. Let's start with O, P, Q, R. Then S, T, U. Then V, W, X, Y. So O, P, Q, R is my correct answer. That is option B. Next one. In a certain code, motherly is written as this and breaking has to be written like what? Okay, let's try to make it first. So this is motherly. Motherly is Motherly. If you see the pattern, it's fine. Else, give it some time. You will get it with some practice. IUPNXK QD, right? Okay. Now see, you see Y and X are beautifully related like this. We can say that Y and X, this is one less, right? Okay. And ED are also related like the same way, -1. QR is also -1, right? And KL is also -1. That means I can write here, these are all -1. Let's check the first now. If you check MN, it is +1. HI, it is also +1. OP is also +1. So this is cross coding. You can see basically T and U, it is also cross coding having +1. So these four are having +1. Now applying the same here in breaking. Let's apply. The word is breaking. The first four and the last four are having a different pattern. The number of letters are same in breaking as well as motherly. So we can apply the same logic here. So B, and it should be +1. So it should be C. Then A, it should be B. E, it should be F. And R, it should be S. So BFSC, it is not the answer. It is not the answer. BFSC, it is also not the answer. Option A is my right answer. Rest you can check. These are +1. Next must be -1. So FG, JK, N, it's M. Then I should be H. So this is my answer. Option A. Next one, if 100 humbled is coded as this, then how should wax be coded like? Okay, so humbled is coded, okay. Humbled, let's write it first. And it is coded like JWOD NGF. Okay, let's try HIJUVWMNOBCD. Yeah, we can have a direct relation here. That is +2. HIJ +2. Then UVW +2, MNO, BCD, LMN, EFG. So it's all +2. It's very simple. Now you can make it. Wax. Wax, W +2, WXY, ABC, XYZ. So YCZ is my answer. Next one, Monco is coded as this. So how can KLJMN be coded in the same code? Okay. So see very carefully. Monco. Okay. So first we check, are all the letters being used? No, K is there. J is not there. So we have to find the code for J. J is not there. L is also not there. M and N are there. Okay. Let's find out. M is coded as 5. O is coded as 7. N is coded as 6. And K is coded as 3. And O is coded as 7. Okay. Now you see, if you arrange them in this actual pattern, it is like if K is 3, right? K, L, M. So what should be L now? Tell. Now the word is K, J, L, M, N. These are all in sequence if you check very thoroughly. If K is 3, that means K, L. L should be 4, right? And then M is 5, then N is 6, absolutely correct, and O is 7. Now go before K, it is J. So if K is 3, by J must be 2, na? And K is already 3. So 3, 2, 4. Then MN already given, M is 5 and N is 6. So this is my answer, 3 to 4, only starting with the first option. So all cannot be my answer. So my answer is A option. In a certain code, toast is written as this, train is written as this, stone is written as this. Now again, we check, are the words used before? You see, T is already used before. O is already used before. R, yeah, it is also used before. And N is also used before. So all the words, we can pick it directly. T, T. Oh, this is 5, 5. This is 5. O, what is O? O is the second letter. That is 6. Where is R? R is the second letter here. That is 9. And N, where is N? N is the last letter here. That is 0. So 5, 6, 9, 0. Yeah, it is there in the option as well. So this is my answer. One question of blood relation. P is the brother of Q. P is the brother of Q. Q is the brother of R. Then P is the son of S. Okay. If P is the son of S, S must be here. Now, based on these three statements, which of the following statement is cannot be definitely true? Cannot be. Okay. Cannot be. So this must be very, you have to be careful here. Cannot be, right? Okay. So Q is the brother of P. Yes, if P is the brother of Q, so this is absolutely correct. This is not my answer. Q is the son of S. Yeah, if Q is the son of S, because Q is plus sign, absolutely correct. P is the brother of R. Yes, P is plus sign, so this is also correct. S is the father of Q. It is not clear. Why? Because S could be mother, S could be father. We don't know actual gender of this parent. So the right answer has to be with this is cannot be true. So this is my right answer. That is option D. Okay. Next one. Considering the given statement as true, select a logical conclusion based on the given statement. Now see, no stone is metal. How we make it? How we make it? No stone is metal. It is like stone is there and metal is also there. Okay, this is how we make it. Some metals are papers, some part of metals are also papers. It's syllogism. All papers are glass, so this all papers are glass. Okay. Now, these are the conclusions. We have to check it. Some metals being glass is a possibility. Yes, it is there. You can see some metals are there in this glass. This is also a possibility. And actually also it's clear. So conclusion one follow. This is correct. At least some glass are metals. At least some glass are metals. You can see some glass are metals already. Second is also correct. No stone is paper. No stone is paper. No. Why? Because stone is related with metal. Stone is only related with metal with no. Stone could be here or it could be here. It could be here, right? So we have so many possibilities. And whenever we have so many possibilities, in this Silog chapter, we never take that statement correct in which we have some possibility that that may not be correct as well. So no stone is paper. It's not clear because the relation between stone and metal is clear that they are with no relation. But with others, this if I make stone here, they can make relation, right? If I make stone here, they can make relation. So this is not correct. So only first and second follow. That is option A. Next one. At a road crossing, there are 4 arrows denoting the 4 directions. Okay. So let's make the road crossing. There are 4 arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. There are 4 arrows denoting the 4 directions. But due to an accident, the arrows turned in such a way that now east arrow is showing north. Where is actually east? So with this yellow color, I will be showing the actual. Then the other color I'll use for the new directions. So this is the actual east. Now what it's given? It's given that the east arrow is showing north. So this has become north. So if this has become north, this must be south. And on to the right of north, it must be west. It must be east. Or this must be east. Right. You can see on to the right of north, it's east. So it must be west. Now what is asked? Ajay wanted to go towards west. So if he has followed like east arrow is showing north. Okay. So Ajay wanted to go towards west and followed the arrows at the crossing. Okay. Now he wants to go from towards west. So he will go this side. Ajay will go like this side. So he wants to go towards west because as per the new directions he has to go. So west is here. That means in which direction is he now actually traveling? Actually, he's traveling towards north, which is now become west. So answer A is my correct answer. A beautiful question of coding and decoding. Nitin is this. Now see very carefully. NITIN. Here it's not direct. You can see percentage, power, then hash, and then also hash. Then T, then it is ampersand, power, hash, and. Okay. Now see very carefully. There are two N, but there are two I as well. So there are two codes repeating, but actually, what is the actual code? We have to check. You see, N is the common word which is here. That means N were two here. That means N is hash. We can say N is hash. A code for N is hash because N is here as well as here. So we can pick that. It's not direct. We have to check it. Okay. If N is hash, that means I. What is I? There are two percentages here. That means we can say that I is percentage. I is percentage. Now, what is left now? T is left. So T must be this power. So T must be this power. And if T is this power, there is E also. E is and. So the symbol of E must be this and. Now check what is asked. It says pip. So T means this arrow, this power. I means percentage. And P is a new letter, which code must not be there matching with the previous codes as it's a new letter. So here we are having a new letter. So it should be percentage and this, but does this code for P should be hash? No, because hash is already used for N. So this first option is not my answer. Can we have percentage and arrow? It's not there. This is not my answer. Percentage and this power is also not there. Only this is left. And you can see this at the rate. At the rate is a new character, new symbol, and percentage and arrow are already there. So this could be my answer because B is a new letter. The code must also be a new symbol. So B has to be my correct answer. B option is my right answer. All right, next one. In the following expression, just put the mathematical operators which will make this expression correct. Okay. So use these values and try to make them correct. So the actual, if you see a cube, just put the value here. If you put the values here, you will get this subtraction. You see 6 cube minus 3 cube plus c square, c is 4, 4 square plus 3 into d. 3 into d is 6 into 3. And if you see is minus, if you take it as minus, e square, that is 3. So it must be equal to 214. Let's check it out. So 216 minus 27 plus 16 plus 18 minus 9. So just check it out. All the minus signs together clubbed. So it's, you see, it's plus 9 and plus 16. So this becomes plus 25 and plus 25 minus 27. So it is minus 2, and 216 minus 2 is 214. That is giving me the answer. In exam, you have to check all the options, but why I did minus? Because I just checked that, just visualize that this was actually 216. So something less should be there. That's why I randomly picked subtract, because 216 maybe plus minus, because all other numbers are little smaller. And here only cube of 6 is there one time with d, which is also 6, but it is a multiplying factor. That's why I've chosen this as the option, and this is also correct as well. So after that, you can check addition, and then you can check multiplication, division. But because here it's coming in the first time directly, there is no need to check. Next one, if S means this, T means this, all these symbols have their meaning. So just put them in the equation and get your answer. So 45, what is K? K means division. So division of 9. N means multiply. So multiply with 26. Then T means minus 34. And N again means multiply by 13. So apply board mass here, first division. So 45 by 9. Then multiply and then plus minus. So okay, let's see 5. So this is 130, 26 fives, then 34 into 13. So 13 fours are 52, 13 threes are 39 plus 5, 39 plus 5, 42. So if you subtract it, it will be minus 312. That is option C. All right. Next one, Ananya was born on 29th November and 1970. And this was already given as Sunday. So it says that Ananya is born on 29 November 1970. And this day is Sunday, right? Now, when will her next birthday fall on Sunday? So here in this question, we can use this concept. And the concept is leap year and ordinary year. Let's try. You know that this 29 November 1970 is a non-leap year. So 1971. Logically, you'll do like this. You know, in a leap year, 365 days, if I divide by 7, then I have one odd day, right? I guess you know this, one odd day. So in the next year, 29 November, her birthday will be on Monday, right? Then 1972. Now, 1972 is a leap year. Last two digits divisible by 4, right? It's a non-century year. Non-century means it's not double zeros are not present. So this is a leap year, and the February of this 1972 has already come in this period. So the next must be on Wednesday. Like this, you need to check. Then 1973, it will be Thursday again. Then 1974, it will be what? It will be uh, again Friday. Then 1975, it is Saturday. Then 1976. Now again February of 29 November, this 1976 year has come. This must be on Monday, not Sunday again. So 76 is not my answer. Uh, then 75 is also not my answer. Now let's go ahead. After this 77. So 77, it must be Tuesday, right? 1977 must be Tuesday. Then 1978 must be Wednesday. Then 79 must be Thursday. 80 must be Friday. No, 80 must be what? It should be Sunday, right? Saturday, Friday, Saturday. So you see, in this 29 November, in this 1980, February is come, so it is +2. So it is Saturday. So 1980 is also not my answer. So what is the next? 1981, that is Sunday. So Sunday has to be my answer. Sunday has to be my answer. So this is one way, right? Where in a leap year, add 2, and non-leap year, add 1. Now, next method is you can do directly, like, repetition of year. So it is like, if it's a leap year, it's like 28, 6, 11, 11, 28. Remember it like this. All the years will get repeated like this. So if the year is getting repeated, days also may get repeated. So a leap year always repeat itself after 28 years, remember. And this, all the years, like here, let's try to fit it. 1970. 1970 is not a leap year. And what is the leap year which is near to 1970? So we can say it is 1972. Okay. So 1972 year will repeat itself after 28 years. Okay. So 1971 is here and 1970 is here. So 1970 year will repeat itself after 11 years, right? And what is 11 years after 1970? That is 1981. So because the year is repeated, are you getting my point? Because the year is repeated, the day will also get repeated. So that's why it is 1981. We can check like this. So this is your shortcut. Okay. Next one, arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. So just check. Now, A double S I, A double S I, A double S I, A double S I is already there. So the first must be I, G, N is there. So first it should be first one, assign. Then afterwards, it should be assignment, right? So it should be 5, 1, 5. So this is not my answer. This is not my answer. Afterwards, just check. Then after that, assist should be there. Assist should be there. Assist. Then A should be there. So it should be 3. So this is not my answer. Only option available is 3. So assist, then assistant, and then associate, because it's SO, so we'll take it in the last. So option A has to be my right answer. Which of the following jumble words is not the name of an electronics company? So first, if you jumble it, it will be from Samsung. Next, if you jumble it, the actual word must be Panasonic. Next, it's Videocon. Next is Patanjali. So you see, if it's Patanjali, this is not the name of an electronics company. You know, it's a Ayurvedic company, Ayurvedic products. So this is option D is my answer. Next one, in the following question, select the word which cannot be formed. Okay, cannot be formed. So EAT can be formed. LOST. This is my answer because there is no O present here. So this word cannot be formed. Rest we can form. Stung is already there. Last is already there, right? So option B is my answer. 25. In the following question, find out the alternative which will replace the question mark. Okay. So Austria capital is Vienna. Turkey capital is Ankara. Turkey capital is Ankara, right? So this is my answer. This is for Afghanistan, right? So this is my answer. It is for Algeria, right? This you can check. So this is my correct answer. So that's all for the session. I hope you learned and enjoy this. So thank you so much for watching.